Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of College Dunia's Thoughts and Education. Today we have Dr. Prosun Trivedi, Head of the Department, Biotechnology under School of Science and Technology of the Neotia University, Kolkata. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you.
So before I start with the Q&A, I would request you to introduce yourself to the viewers.
Hello everybody, this is Dr. Prosun Trivedi. I did my BSc and MSc from Calcutta University. The subject was microbiology. So then I did my PhD also from Calcutta University, and again the subject was microbiology. So then I joined Tripura University. I was there for 1 year. After that I moved to Assam Don Bosco University. I was there for almost 1.5 years. And after that I joined this institute, and I have been working in this institute for the last 7.5 years.
Thank you so much for the introduction, sir. Sir, now let's move on to the programs. Sir, what is the latest program that you are offering in your departments, or what are the programs you are offering in your department?
Yeah, presently the Department of Biotechnology is offering biotechnology both in UG, PG and PhD programs. But by considering the success, so we are thinking that we are going to implement microbiology also from this year. And in microbiology there will be BSc microbiology, MSc microbiology and PhD microbiology as well. So this would be a big thing for us, because we have a very sophisticated infrastructure in our department, and since biotechnology and microbiology is well connected, so we can grow together under the same umbrella.
Great, sir. Sir, now if I talk about the factors that make this program the best for the students to opt, then what it would be?
Yeah, it's a very good question. Actually, in order to run a program, first we must have some outstanding faculty members, and I'm very happy to say that all of my faculty members are PhD holders, and they have a very good research background, which helps them to deliver some good sessions during their teaching learning activities, particularly in class. And apart from that, we have been following this National Education Policy 2020, which is unique in nature, because this National Education Policy says that the program must include some skill-based courses, some value-added courses, some ability enhancement courses, some major courses, minor courses, and the basic agenda of these courses are to make students more competent, confident, so that they can excel themselves based on their abilities. And our role is that since we have been following this NEP, so we are making our infrastructure in such a way so that these skill-based courses help our students to get more knowledge, particularly for the requirements coming from these cutting-edge technologies and the growing these industrial requirements.
Great, sir. Sir, how does the program ensure that students are being prepared for the future also? What do you think?
Yeah, see, it's a very good question, and particularly in this context, we have following two approaches. The first approach is that we ask the students, what is your interest in future? If the student says that we would like to stay in academics, so then we generally train them in a different way. But if some student says that okay, we will go for a different job, so then our preparation is different for them. But the similar things or the practices which are common in both the cases are the internship programs, some dissertation programs, some skill exhibition programs. So these are the things where they need to do something on their own. The faculty members are there, but they are there as a mentor. So the students need to create some ideas. So they need to study, they need to engage their brains, and after their mentoring, so the particular model, or you can say that ideas or the products get developed, and this I think that this is a very nice approach by which the students can also feel comfortable. And sometimes when they say that okay, I'm not interested to go for a job, so later they understand that okay, what would be my direction, because once they grow with proper care and proper technologies, so then I think they will be able to understand their actual requirement or destination.
Great, sir. Sir, as we are talking about biotechnology, then I think the projects are the main core part of it.
Right.
So, what are the types of projects that the students are working on through these programs?
Yeah, it's a very good question, because the projects I can say that biotechnology is an interdisciplinary program, so the student can opt any subject which has connection to biotechnology. So far, our students have developed so many different products or projects, and I can quote some of them. Like recently, they have made one biodegradable sanitary napkin, which is totally toxic free, no chemicals are there, and the retention ability is much better compared to the existing commercially available things. Apart from that, they have also made some this I would say that AI based softwares which can help to analyze blood cells. Our students are also working how the antibiotics can be explored so that they can stay more time in the community, because we all know that with time antibiotics are getting resistance over different microorganisms. They are also making some biodegradable plastics. Sorry, they are also making gulab. So this is also a biodegradable product and edible also. So people can use it without any irritation or any toxic effect, etc. So these are some of the notable achievement whatever we have. But they have been working on different. Recently, they have also made one paper from onion peel. So they have also made one this biodegradable leather. So money parts. So these are different kind of achievement we have.
I think it's a great initiative, I must say, sir. Sir, now if you can just throw some light on the USPs of the Neotia University, or you can say the valuable insights about the programs or the curriculums, so that students who are sitting outside the campus, outside the Neotia University, can get to know about this also.
Yeah. So there are a few points I can quote here. So the first point, as I said, that our faculty members are much more talented and they are having a very good infrastructure. They are having a very good knowledge, particularly in the research. And my departmental faculty members, they have been able to get some externally funded project from the Central Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. And as a result, we have been able to make or create this sophisticated research lab where the research scholars are working. So far, 5 PhD have already been generated from this department with enormous number of publications. More than 40 publications we have made from this department only. And it's very amazing to say that some of the students of our department, they have also contributed in those publications and they also got this authorship in those papers. Besides that, we are conducting some skill exhibition programs every year, and from this semester we are making it a mandatory practice for UG as well as PG students, so that they can think something out of the box, so that they can also explore their entrepreneurship skills, and some of them can go for startup as well. We also explore different kind of mentorship program in our department, so that if some of the students are lagging behind, they can also come forward and explore. Besides that, our department has also been conducting some special training program for GATE, NET, some competitive exams, and some of the students have already qualified that. So these are some of the basic points I would say that which make our student more comfortable as well as more prepared with respect to the current this environment in the context of job and opportunities.
Thank you, sir. So the last question I would like to ask you, if you can just give the students or the viewers some advice, because you have a long years of experience and also you are associated with the university for so long now. So please go ahead, sir.
Yeah, the suggestion is that we all know that what are the potentials of biotechnology and microbiology, because recently we all have witnessed the devastating impact of COVID-19, and now it is clear that it is the biotechnology and microbiology who can save you from this situation if the similar kind of thing happens again. So biotechnology and microbiology, they basically, just for an example I can say that think about a condition where an infection happens and think about a condition where we can get rid of this infection. So both of these things can be managed by exploring biotechnology and microbiology. And if you particularly think in a better way, then you can understand that this is the world now which will be ruled by biotechnology and microbiology, because of the demand that is coming due to the huge number of this population. Because with time we all get to know that human population is increasing, so demand of food is increasing and the infection pattern is also being changed. So we need to explore in such a way so that we can establish or we can keep our environment sustainable, we can live ourselves in a better way, and also the most important part or the most important challenge is the public healthcare management, which can only be done by practicing biotechnology and microbiology. So if you have an interest, you can explore, and we are here because the faculty members are very dynamic, the department is well structured. Our department is having biotechnology, all the relevant instruments, chemicals and logistics, every support you will get. And apart from that, we also have made some history, because some of the students from here now they are a part of different university and the capacity of faculty. Some of them are working as a faculty in IITs, some of them are working as a big CEO or some big position in different corporate industries. So we have a very robust and a very effective alumni pool that can also help the students who will come into our program get a new direction.
Thank you so much for interacting with us, sir. I think it's been pleasure for us to have you. Thank you so much from College Dunia's whole team.